Hello guys, a blessed Sunday to all, and it's a weekend once again. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for today Sunday until Tuesday, July 14 to 16, 2024. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best institutions in the Bicol region and in Naga City. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. Now let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat that we issued last night, and later on we are going to create another new one, and this is valid for today. We have two LPAs we are worth watching, but the other one here to the east of Mindanao has weakened into a shallow or weak LPA as of now. So on the NOAA and JTWC websites, 90W is no longer there, so it has weakened into a weak or shallow LPA. While here over the West Philippine Sea, just north of Calayan Island Group, we have LPA 99W, which is some sort of a monsoon depression. When we say a monsoon depression, it's a typical low pressure system with the winds more farther from the center, around roughly within 500 kilometers to the north and south. Okay, so it's not a closed circulation, so it is known as a monsoon depression. Anyway, it's known as 99W, and it is at medium chance. If this circulation constrict, it could become a tropical depression, no longer a monsoon depression. So this monsoon depression will track towards the coastal area of northern or central Vietnam, and it's likely to make landfall there within the next couple of days. So it has 35 to 65% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone, and it is enhancing the southwest monsoon, bringing some breezy conditions up to 50 kph gust over the Spratly Islands and the southern portions of the West Philippine Sea, including Palawan, and southern portions of Sulu Archipelago. So there are some thunderstorms, on and off rainfall here, with winds gusting up to 50 kilometers per hour. The seas here will be rough and dangerous, with waves reaching a height of more than 2 meters. And please take all necessary precautions. So these two LPAs embedded within the active monsoon trough from Vietnam across the central Philippines up to the equator to the south of Guam. Okay, so this is the line wherein we are keeping an eye for possible development of low pressure areas. So right now 90W is just a weak LPA, and we are keeping an eye for the regeneration of this, and it could become a 91W if NOAA or JTWC upgrades it. Okay, so that's the scenario right now. More thunderstorms are still in store for the next afternoon, for the next 3 days, especially in the afternoon or evening. So as we take a look at the fast animation, so there you go. This is the monsoon depression 99W approaching the coastal waters of central Vietnam, and here's the southwest monsoon bringing some windy conditions over the West Philippine Sea and Palawan. And here is the LPA that weakened into a shallow or weak one that is worth watching for another regeneration that may occur within the next couple of days. There's some good news when it comes to the European model. It looks like it will just be a low pressure system moving across the Visayas within the next 3 to 4 days. Okay, that will be beginning tomorrow until Friday. So there will be lots of afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms in most parts of the country. Okay, and if you take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com. Here's now the monsoon depression 99W and LPA 90W, which has weakened into a weak or shallow LPA, but there might be a new circulation forming here to the east of Surigao, so it will be worth watching for the next couple of days. We'll keep you updated. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear every day until Friday, since this rainfall and thunderstorms will be here for the rest of the week. Okay, this coming new week. And let's hope and pray this LPA will not be a tropical cyclone, because if it does, it will dump heavy rainfall across our country and some windy conditions. But so far, even though if it doesn't become a tropical cyclone, it is also a threat for flooding and landslides across the Visayas, over Canlaon volcano, and also over the Bicol region and some portions of Luzon, including also Mindanao. Okay, since we are now in the heart of the wet or rainy season. So we are going to show to you in a while the latest model outputs. And if you take a look at the rain accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Tuesday, beginning today, Sunday, until Tuesday, you can clearly see here, except for the northernmost part of Luzon, northern Cagayan, northern Ilocos Norte, northern part of Kalinga and Apayao, the rest of the country will be experiencing some afternoon or evening or even morning rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the next 3 days. Okay, so this violet one is heavy rains. What about the enhanced southwest monsoon due to the monsoon depression approaching Vietnam? And this one here to the east of Davao Oriental is the southern or the southwesterly winds enhanced by the monsoon trough and the possibility of another LPA forming here. So we're going to observe this area of the East Philippine Sea for any threat to our country. Okay, and for the wind forecast, here's the European model for today. Here's the monsoon depression moving towards central Vietnam. Here's the shallow LPA just to the east of Surigao, trying to organize, but due to the upper level low here, it's inhibiting further development within the next 24 hours. By tomorrow, it will be still within the monsoon trough, becoming more elongated, and slightly it's not expected to develop. Okay, and on Tuesday and Wednesday, it shows here that the LPA is starting to have some small spinning circulation, but it looks like this will track towards Eastern Samar come Thursday, July 18 until Friday, July 19, where on Friday it will be accelerating towards Mindoro area and Romblon, and it looks like it will bring rainfall over this area. So the development into a tropical cyclone based on the European model is not have a lower probability as of this time. Okay, now if you take a look at the American model for the next 3 days until for the next 3 to 5 days, it looks like this is still an aggressive model. By Tuesday, it could develop into a tropical depression here. Wednesday, it will move north, and another one will form here outside of Par. Okay, while the monsoon depression is no longer is approaching northern Vietnam with a dissipating circulation. On Thursday, July 18, LPA is here near Samar, and another one here. So American model continues to be the aggressive model as of this time, but we are still waiting for the European model. So we will wait and see. There's still a low to moderate probability or medium probability that it will push through, but we will keep you updated for the next couple of days. Okay, So likely on our next update on Tuesday. And if that's developed by tomorrow, we will give you the very latest. Okay. But if not, we will be back on Tuesday to give you more updates on these LPAs. But so far, it will remain as a low pressure system and will bring more rainfall, thunderstorms across various sections of Central, Southern Luzon, Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao. Okay, and for the wave forecast, today until Wednesday, the waves is just right. Light waves over the East Philippine Sea from 1 to 1.5 meters, while here over the central portions of the Philippine Islands, over the inland waters, it will be calm to up to half a meter in wave heights, while over the West Philippine Sea, it's a little bit higher, light to moderate, up to 2 meters because of the enhancement of the southwest monsoon brought about by the monsoon depression moving towards Vietnam. So there you go. That's the latest for this Sunday. And no worries because this LPA is not yet active. We will let you know come Tuesday if it will become an active LPA, but so far so good. It will just bring rain showers and thunderstorms mostly in the afternoon and the evening in various sections of the country, particularly Mindanao, Visayas, Bicol region, today until Wednesday or Thursday. So let's hope and pray that this LPA will not intensify. Again, this is Mike Padua. See you again on Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just click on the subscription button down here, or visit our website www.mrtyphoon.tv or www.mrtyphoon.com to visit our Facebook channel, Mike Mr. Typhoon Padua. Thank you so much, and God bless to all.